Wow, what an absolutely gorgeous orange copper hair change. She looks absolutely beautiful. This shade is pure perfection against her complexion, and by far one of my favorite hair color trends that you can try out this fall. Such a stunning makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some chic 2023 into winter 2024 hairstyle ideas. So if you are currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a gorgeous modern layered shoulder length bob style, followed by someone who decided to switch things up with this layered haircut. Now, as you guys already know, layers are a huge trend for this fall season. I think we're going to continue to see a lot of layered hairstyles as we head into 2024. It is just a great way to add some shape to your strands. The stylist does some curtain bangs here to frame out her face. Gorgeous. And this hairstyle also gives you a lot of volume. Beautifully done. Next up, we have another 90s bob. This one features that chocolate brown hair color trend that's floating around. Wow, such a breathtaking style. And if you guys haven't checked out my 90s inspired bob video, I did a whole feature on this trend, and I talk about why it is such a beautiful classic hairstyle to try out this season. Now, what's great about the 90s bob is that it offers up a lot of volume as well. And of course, that chocolate brown hair color is perfect for the colder months. Such a pretty hairstyle. Next up, we have another hair color transformation. So this is quite a dramatic hair change here because she does end up going from that copper color to more of a purple shade. And then what I really like about this is that she does have the money piece highlights here, beautiful lavender in the front, and then it moves into a darker purple hue in the back. Look at that. So pretty. Next up, we once again see the layered haircut trend. So she ended up getting full bangs here in the front. Very cute. Now this is a very subtle hair change if you want to just mix it up with some bangs. Such a cute style. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you with this last hair transformation.